do we got? Oh snap, rail equipment, nice. Yeah, buddy. Sweet. Whoa, look at that. Hey now, whoa, I've only ever seen that one time. How cool is that? Great timing. We don't need no stinking locomotive. Whoa, check that out. Big excavator, right on. Well, that's fucking cool. Yeah, man, right on. Stupid billboard. Wow, that's something. I only ever seen that one time, and that was last year in Dorval. Maybe the same truck even. There's something else over there coming, I think. That's probably another maintenance truck, I imagine. Coming down the line. Of course, they don't usually set off the gates and the lights. Oh, daddy. Nice piece of machinery. Damn, this camera shakes easily. Sorry about that. It's so damn light. It's one of the drawbacks of it. It's too light. It's hard to keep it steady. Might be going out in my neck of the woods, maybe not. Maybe heading towards Laval. Damn, this thing shakes. Yeah. By the way, you know, it's actually funny to see this truck because unfortunately CP had a big derailment yesterday in Saint Polycarpe. Lord, that mother. And with an SAQ truck,